always a better way to deliver innovation to the world. This way not only allows people to live more conveniently, but also creates endless possibilities. Through it, we can connect with each other, no matter where we are. From the countryside to the city, from the past to the future, from the tangible to the invisible, leading the world through constant change. AAEON, the way of the future. The double A in AAEON represents continuous innovation and improvement. Up through to the current time, AAEON has been dedicated to intelligent systems, providing innovative development of many key technologies in leading industries. With an extensive integration experience, AAEON continues to move forward, driving further development of intelligent systems. AAEON products continue to be superior in design and reliability, providing top-notch quality service and assurance. AAEON is dedicated to serving markets and grasping their trends with agility. Since joining the ASUS Group, AAEON has been able to greatly accelerate its pace of innovation and continuously upgrade its technical capacity to remain ahead of the competition. One-stop shop customized services for hardware and software help AAEON's customers obtain the most sound shortcuts towards their success. Listening to customers' needs and providing optimal solutions, AAEON products and services offer a multitude of possibilities. Through state-of-the-art modular designs, AAEON can reduce both cost and development time for its customers, hence greatly shortening their time to market. AAEON utilizes the latest processes, strict quality controls, and testing procedures to provide its customers with adaptable, customized services. Flexible processes and prompt delivery are AAEON's strengths. In addition to mass production, AAEON can offer limited runs of customized product alternatives to help meet customers' demands for quality and quantity while still meeting timely delivery. Innovative technology has transformed AAEON embedded boards and system offerings to include an expansive line of intelligent system solutions across verticals to continuously meet the changing demands of its customers and the marketplace. Along this journey, AAEON constantly explores ways to link and leverage the spirit of their innovations towards corporate social responsibility, targeted at educational enhancement within communities. AAEON will continue on this passage as we further advance our customers into the IoT world. AAEON, the way of the future.